Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. In Blender, soft body physics lets objects jiggle, squish, and bounce while keeping their overall shape. Start by adding a simple object like a sphere, go to the Physics tab and click Soft Body. Uncheck Goal and input these custom settings. Now add a ground plane and give it collision physics. When you press play, your object will fall, bounce, and deform slightly on impact. Soft body physics work by simulating internal springs between the vertices of your mesh, which control how flexible or stiff the object feels. You can adjust stiffness, damping, and friction in the physics settings to control how much it jiggles or settles. These settings produce drastically different results, so it will take some experimentation to get it the way that you like. More geometry means smoother deformation, so adding the subdivision surface modifier can help improve the results. Bake your simulation when you're happy, and that's it. You've just created your first soft body physics simulation in Blender.